Hey guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. So one of the big talking points of the new iPhone 12 is the MagSafe. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the MagSafe charger. So Apple introduced the MagSafe on the new iPhones this year, and it's basically just a magnetic charger that sticks onto the back of the iPhone and uses the magnet technology to charge the iPhones. For $60, you get a small box, and Apple plainly writes at the back that you need a 20-watt USB-C power adapter for the MagSafe charger, which is not included in the box. So for an extra $19, you'll need to grab a 20-watt power adapter from Apple, or you can just buy a cheaper one from Amazon. Let's open the box to see what we have. So you just need to snap the pull tab back. Thankfully for pull tabs, they're literally making everything easy. You get some documents, first the safety and handling guide, the compliance information, and the warranty summary. Next, you get the charger itself with the cable spun around in a circle. Let's snap that open. The cable should be about 1.5 meters long, which is about the same length we get for the cables that comes in the iPhone box, so it should be adequate. The main frame is made of metal. I believe this should be aluminum, and the main charging contact that contains the coil is covered in plastic but still has some grippy feel to it. Sticking it onto the MagSafe case, you can see how it aligns onto the case. Let's also test that out for the iPhone. You just need to snap it to the back of the iPhone and it aligns properly. It's a pretty strong magnet. Okay, maybe not so strong, but you definitely don't be doing this anyways. Let's plug in the charger and see how it works. So just place your iPhone on it and bam, you have that charging animation. Also testing it out with the case, it works in the same way. Snap, bam, charge. So the MagSafe charger would not only work with the iPhone 12 lineup, but it will work with other iPhones and other smartphones that have wireless charging. One advantage the MagSafe charger has over wireless chargers is that it perfectly aligns the contacts to the phone because of the magnets that are present inside. So you don't have to worry about your phone not charging when you go to bed. The maximum power output of the MagSafe charger is 15 watts when you're using it with the iPhone 12, but on other devices it will be 7.5 watts. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, smash that like button. Also drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I am Mastercard. Peace.